Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Apple ID account on Android. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you may want to log in because you wanted to manage your Apple account details, security, and even access your services like iCloud. Okay, so to do that, open up your favorite browser. It could be Brave, Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever it is. Okay, I'm just going to open up Brave right here. And then you could go ahead over to the website account.apple.com or iCloud.com. All right. Once that's done, just tap and go. Wait for it to load. As you can see here we have iCloud. So just go ahead and tap on sign in. Now just go ahead and enter your email or phone number. Or if you have an iOS device with iOS 17 or later, well, you can just go ahead and tap on sign in right here and you'll receive a prompt from your phone. Okay, all you got to do is just tap on yes, sign in. And after that, you'll be logged into your Apple ID or Apple account. If not, you can just go ahead and type down your email or phone number right here, follow simple prompts, and if you have enabled two-factor authentication, well, you'll need a code for that, okay? And once you have the code, just basically enter it, follow simple prompts from here. It's pretty easy. And once done again, once verified, you can now access most of your Apple account information and services by using your Android device. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.